right, Yama Obibia Kwaba, and then a pencil and Famra say Obe Network. Yes, as usual, Oba. Don't forget, say Oba subscribing on your own sword to my share. Now, Odi Amanyana Fonia, it's me, I share a Juman war, and then I pay heat. Yes, I'm so my returning back. Yeah, the exclusive stories, and so at the air of summer and yes, and over the weekend, Ghana Premier League games, and so it's me air cause started free Friday. Hawaii United and a Heart of Lions. Obia and me answer the Samson Endra games and so it's was my Media Sporting Club. Our Takwa TNA Sports and H has as some kind of common to Manta Brantia. Yefen say Abdul Salim. Onya sa go no elema Bobokua. Yefen say Media Sporting Club. Swablo all blast SO2. Emma Asante Kotoko and so it's taken back of nations. Ntim answer the Samson Akarais United. Also Ntim answer the Dreams. SA2 Emma Baseke. And so Ntim ante 11 wonders 2. Baby goals as 3. Beckham United 1. Beckham Chelsea 0. Adriana Stars 0. Vision FC shockingly. Asha 1. Edith Adriana Stars. Sramates Asha 2. Emma Young Apostles. Abomodena almost Ntim ante table we say the situation so far. Media Sporting Club Edikan Ekuta 34 points. Samsung Gold Stars Tosubionu 32. Asante Kotoko Timono Tosumiensa 30. Anafe a 4th position. Adriana Stars Ekuta 29 points. Has at a 5th Ekuta 28. Oba Sionoma. Don't forget Hawaii United Ekuta 18. Beckham Chelsea at a 17 position Ekuta 16. Ana 18. Anafe 11 wonders. And so Ekuta 6 points our tables in this war. You don't summon at the so far they send a Ghana Premier League, and your monsoon SCT El Honma. You don't summon and so at me that in fact. What we give me be a Asante Kotoko and Swordrono. You could call it say no place in performance if that in our fem. And your money in for Asante Kotoko Timono. Na yenim say almost 4 games I don't want to be now come for all the points and so to be the that's our table no and na so for SM Komono. Yes and so for no SM Komono kra emane ya ana chese enya sam ketwa but I think encourage a football what I say and transfer neighbor encourage a football. But I don't go say palace in make sure it me who say Asante Kotoko no mo ebono and omo fan som to team ya mo be sebia no omo no pe Kotoko na bo and Rudolph you could call this boy and I ready so be sure ya kira Asante Kotoko say also make man the performance say the enso tima kosoro because what is Asante Kotoko epe no and the moment I play be better Kotoko epe no be say kind e dey ya obe showcase the performance ni Obe showcase the performance ni ye. Na di omnie. Asante Kotoko IMC ebe she technical team no. Me demand anopen. Me first story me demand anopen. Asante Kotoko team no ebe she IM technical team no. Na sa meeting na eba so no. Deme pick any some pay for technical meeting no team na eba be no. Ni nyina ne se ekwan ya omo share some teams bi omo fa so ehso mo no omo mpanfo omo entiase omo mpanfo ya dey enso entiase ejama satana me no ka se IMC enya happy amma satana me no ka se Asante Kotoko IMC omo nya happy eti na me pick ene se eya meeting eba so enya sam ketwa on be kon be for so send money on betima solve our second round imu because as at na second round me no ka say o Asante Kotoko o kwa ko rem our class o performance anu hye o be ko media ma o be ko Gold Stars o be ko aduana this are class I want to add the April League in Etimaji this are class April League the enso Etimaji enti wo as a club Asante Kotoko no enso tima performance ni and anyone was paying for taking decisions a technical meeting with the team no and a press in the fancy the bijai this young country bijai papa fancy the bijai This is not Asante Kotoko. This is not Asante Kotoko. A hardware. Now, Mabaka tell me say Asante Kotoko air strikers. Now, since no strikers no SMP and the actually. But me for Ntim story no enfamamu. And I permit me to confirm it on this channel. Eddie Ama will say, a better friend say Andrews Ntim officially. Asante Kotoko Timu accepted a mobile contract and Eddie Amano. May confirm the amount. And come out between Asante Kotoko IMC and after a branch here, Jeffan say Andrews Ntim. Amu GDA pass a body contract engineer. But when you are appointed finance Andrews Ntim, I Ediama Asante Kotoko Timuna. Amu a happy. Amu a okay. Amu niaso. And Amu Pese Andrews Ntim Amurini contract Edaman 2. Nisajunu and paying for accepted. So officially. Amu Baye boy Nisajun and so extimate confirm and pay me confirm the amount. Good news and it's Ntim and pay for Jatum. So Amu Baye and Edaman 2. Amu Baye say in the contract Edaman for what was I can Edama Asante Kotoko. And a latest development update Kutame Efa Andrews Ntim. Timona Mubusa Ntim no latest update any. Medin come our camp. Medin come our Asante Kotoko asue and pay for confirm the amount say Ntim in the contract na the amount. Na fe no say juno amasanso de etima ye e de amaboy no. Eno e de kitamia mete emama enya sam kitwa on this channel. Mabaka cham say Asante Kotoko Tim no epe striker. Me di yima no de e de bram na yima de no se e sheki. Yes. E sheki papa ache se enya sam kitwa. Na Asante Kotoko from pen so positive abranche e hu some de choro before say be ko Christmas break. Confi nya na me sa story e de bram. Say Asante Kotoko e positive omo striker je fe say Junior Kobla. Sa branch omo e no. Na no pen metimi a confirm the man say Asante Kotoko from pen for e for branch here. Je fe say Junior Kobla o say kan and so e more positive in fact. And pay for any good news. Yes. And pay for any good news. Dema peki Asante Kotoko from paying for etia omo yambe so mo say don na confit here and say omo so mo ton brand ne en ton ne chena. Because omo ni abre a person so no Ghana Premier League no omo be sia kan wom. E ti say ye to akokɔ be de edi ama no. When ye fan Emra League ni mu. One M1 M5 positive M5 Emra. It asatena the more din for Junior Kobla of Prosity. And a latest development kutami amedi M and pay to Rudolph Dianusumo din. And there is meeting a course so make us make catcher and send fata. Yes. Meeting a course make us me baby match and send fata. But I think the Yaman pay for Emre de Kakra. Yes. Yaman Kakra a day. The root of the anymore, I know the anymore thing. And unfair Prantia, your friend said Junior Kobla, who said Academa Positive, on also didn't wedding. See a Kotokonia break for strikers and annoy Shapa. But I think among Casabe, as I am no. Even decision on whether almost automatically. Don't forget to pay over subscribing if you also wait to share. Now I not doing it yet. Kotoko phone paying for Omuto gym. Yes. On set me catch them say I no and paying for a monitor for foreign do be say amara man akwa amonone because omu GDA pass omu mutimi maintain ya move to amonon ebe complete. Ano pay metima confirm them say jimano ano e tunu to so e free Ghana ha. Yes. Now my pickers are two offers be that tables. Emuba ko I successful. Ama a branch of fence is man no echo. enti Kotoko fo mpanyimfo na no permitsam na so se mo pa apante fe ne se jima no anode a ene mutu adwum don no emma so eno e de kita na me de emma mo eno no don no emma so jima no ne ekọ for amonone two office ehu ba ko ay successful e de am eno ye latest update ano pay murem e wo nation so me nsaka na apante fe ne se Samba wo na ma wiwe Samba nkomo no ya sanso return bi na office ne dia edaho for Samba wo na ana fe Asante Kotoko fo mpanyifo metimi a confirm adama wo se Simba FC fo mpanyifo apelese ko akọ prosper a branch of Samba wo ne omo be hia no Samu Kuala or Simba FC as a striker na offer no enche omo de eba bedame pekere say $300,000 sika Simba for a prepare for Asante Kotoko player we find say Samba wo ne $300,000 unofficially Simba for paying for a prepare omo de eba confirm and pay me confirm the amount and pay me confirm some story the amount obi abusa was confidence and a kai Simba FC eba for branch offense Samba wo ne I'm a prepare $300,000 at the eba Kotoko for beji so mo engineer e yemre ne nkrabe dey enso ebe choba na wa subscribe